Good morning, friends. Today we are going to take an interesting activity. The name of this activity is related word activity. Here we can see the related word activity. What is it? It means related means word means संबंधित शब्द वर आधारित हे कृती तुम्हाला करायची आहे. तर this is an interesting activity. How you have to make this activity, how you have to do this activity, that we are going to see today. The activity is based on in 7th class, and it is also used in 10th class also, because in 10th standard paper, board paper, this activity is always asked in the board exam, and this activity is for 2 marks in the board exam. So but there is one difference between this activity here and there. The difference is that in that activity, the word related activity, they use the part of speech. Means you have to write the related word with the help of parts of speech. Means suppose they can use they can tell you to write a related word of noun, verb, adjective in the way. But here we are going to see the related word activity that is plain. Plains means you can use any word related to that particular word. So how you should able, how we should have to make this activity. This is an interesting activity, because when you are making this word, you have to think from your mind, and you have to think deeper to trace more words, to adopt more word. You have to trace to your mind, so it is more important. You can take help of your elders also for that. Okay, so here we can see it is a 7th standard book. In the 7th standard book, they had given this activity: write in 2 minutes at least 20 words of related to given word. Means related word you have to write within 2 minutes, at least 20 words they expected from you to write. But here we are not taking the time frame. I will give you the activity. You can take your own time, and you can write as many words as you can given to this particular word. Here they had given 3 words. First is school, second is road, third is tree. You have to write the related words for these 3 words. As many words you can find from your own means previous vocabulary. Okay, so let's start the activity. Okay, I will show you. So I had done one for you. Means you had seen that they had given one word. The word I had given you is school. You have to make a related word of this school. I had already made some word related to school. म्हणजे इथे एक शब्द दिला आहे स्कूल. स्कूलशी संबंधित तुम्हाला रिलेटेड वर्ड बनवायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, तर कसं बनवणार आहे ते मी पहिलेपासून इथं तयार करून दिलेलं आहे. तुम्हाला याच्यावर आधारित बनवायचं आहे. तर सपोज मी बनवलेला आहे. पहिला शब्द घेतला टीचर. इट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू स्कूल. देन स्टुडंट, देन पिऊन, देन क्लासरूम, ग्राउंड, ब्लॅकबोर्ड, चॉक, डेस्क, बेंच, नोटबुक, ग्लोब म्हणजे नकाशा, चेअर, लायब्ररी, टॉयलेट, प्रिन्सिपल. All the words here I had written is related to school, and so many words also there which you can find and write here, which are related to school. So what you have to do, you have to write this activity, you have to complete this activity as per your own knowledge. Okay, I will give you one homework to which you have to make related word. So the homework for this related word activity is, I will give you one more word. The first related word activity you have to do is, you have to find out the related word for doctor, or you can make the word for, suppose I will give you the word, you have to make hospital. As you all know, hospital is very popular place, and there are so many related things to this also. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, हॉस्पिटल संबंधी रिलेटेड वर्ड तुम्हाला लिहायचे आहे. दुसरं देतो तुम्हाला मार्केट. मार्केट सर्वांनी बघितलं आहे. मार्केटशी संबंधित रिलेटेड वर्ड तुम्हाला लिहायचे आहे. दिस इज फॉर युअर होमवर्क. As you had already understand the activity, so you can easily make as many words as you can. And the third, this 2 is from my side and 2 is in the textbook. Which are they? We will find that they are road and tree. तुम्हाला ह्याच्यावरही करायचं आहे, रोड आणि ट्री. रोडशी संबंधित, ट्रीशी संबंधित. रोडशी संबंधित जो तुम्हाला माहिती लिहायची आहे ते तुम्ही लिहू शकता, ठीक आहे. आणि ट्रीशी संबंधित माहिती तुम्ही लिहू शकता, जसं ब्रांचेस आहे, लीप आहे. ट्रीला काय असते? फांदी, ब्रांच असते, लीप पानं असते, ठीक आहे. या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्ही लिहू शकता. तर हे ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करून पहा, ठीक आहे. थँक्यू.